Yep, there's another section done. I'm partial to cedar trees. I'm going to come back through later, dig up all the cedar trees and plant them elsewhere. Cedar is one of the best campfire woods you could ever hope for. I plan on being here long enough to burn those cedar saplings I'm going to transplant. So, I'm going to move the camera, get back to work. Well, a lot of this there wasn't much cutting on, so I didn't bother setting the camera up. Yeah, it's gonna taste some gravel, ain't it?
Yep, sure is.
See right here where this dip is?
Yeah.
We're gonna put the big stone in there, and then we'll put the smaller stuff over the top.
Yeah. This is gonna be the driveway.
We're gonna have to put reflectors on these trees for foggy mornings.
Yeah.
So you don't hit the... And then that tree right there will have a reflector on it. That way you're aiming for that tree.
Yeah. And there's the gate.
Yep. See, right there's where that heavy gravel's gonna go.
Yep.
And then we're gonna have to heavy gravel it.
Right here.
But we gotta adjust that gate some more.
Yeah.
Damn, I almost drove by it. This is the second load of gravel. We've already put 2,800 pounds of gravel on the road. Get the gate key. All right, hon, you're driving.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll tell you when.
Maggie.
I'll chuck a rock under it.
Okay.
What, 3,500 pounds on this strip?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
And now we're building the road. Baxter's helping.
Show them how big the hole is there.
This is the hole.
At least I'm shoveling not rock and not beating on rock. I'm not making little rocks out of big rocks. I come around and show what we're actually doing. Then get that spot right down there. Come on back in the back. That's where he laid the day I was cutting the road out. Yesterday, while I was cutting some brush, Carolyn, she took the John Deere with the bagger and picked up all the leaves and cut off all the little shrub stuff. It was, what, 10 baggers full?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you dumped it 10 times. Come on down, I'll show you where all that is. There's some rock that has almost fully disappeared by now. That right there is about a wheelbarrow load of rock just in there. That's already disappeared. And right here is the 10 baggers of all the leaves that was on, leaves and pine straw and small trees that was on the road. Now, Carolyn, if you walk over to the edge, show them why I say there's most of the property is worthless. Walk over to the edge. Remember, those clippings are about 1.5 feet thick. Here, let me. This is what most of the property is down over here. Hope that's coming through, but it's about from here maybe an 85 foot down to the bottom, and down in the bottom land is where the end of the property goes. But basically the road is about all that's usable. Let's go.
Okay.
And walk over and show them. Need a little gravel right here.
Yep.
Yep. There. I need to dig that hump off.
Yeah. Okay.
Right there in that H pattern, we filled it, what was it, almost 2 foot? 2 foot deep? I'm gonna walk down here and show y'all what we're talking about. Copperheads. With that, you'll see what we were talking about, where we filled it a good 2 foot. Oh yeah, let's see. 13, yeah, 20, yeah. My boot's 13 inches long. So yeah, it's a good 2 foot on this side. Back over there, I think the dip was only maybe about a foot, but there's a lot of fill in there. Still got a little bit to do, but we're getting there. I put it extra wide, that way the road won't push out. Got just a little bit of gravel left on the truck. This has been rutting in pretty good right here. So this is gonna get the rest of the gravel for the day. Yep. Oh, that looks so much better. You have no idea. GoPro, stop recording. Leaving fish camp. We get tired after unloading the 3.5 ton loads of gravel, so there's 5 loads. There's 5 times a ton and a half of gravel in this road. There's several nice soft spots in it. Been a good day of work. Ooh, there went a squirrel.
Aw.
Baxter didn't see it, or he'd be all over the place. I love the sound of crunching gravel. A lot different than whenever I first started the first video. GoPro, stop recording.